So now we talk about the unified modeling language. So what is the meaning of unified modeling language? That is also called UML. So visualizing software blueprint, a universal language that bridges and design and implementation in modern software engineering. The genesis of the UML language from the choices of the clarity, the language wars in 1980s and 90s saw competing object-oriented notation vying for dominance, each with its own syntax and philosophy. Three giants unit, Rumpak, YMT, Box and Jacobson merged their approaches under the object management group YMZ. So UML is born. The unification produced UML, a standardized general purpose modeling language for software engineering. So what is this UML? Unified Modeling Language, a graphical language for visualizing, specifying, constructing, and documenting software intensive system. Think of UML as the agriculture blueprint of the software, enabling precise communication among the developers, designers, and stockholders, regardless of programming language. So why model software? The power of abstraction, simplify and complexity, think clarity, communicate design. UML is a core building blocks. Every UML model is constructed from three fundamental elements that work together to describe the system completely. So first one is things, second one is the relationship, third one is diagrams. Key UML diagrams, now visual toolkit. Use case diagrams illustrate system functionality from user's perspective, showing actors and the action they can perform. So second one is the class diagram. Show the static structure of a system, classes, attributes, methods, and relationship. The third one is a sequence diagram. Describe the interaction between the object over time, highlighting the order and flow of message exchange. Beyond the basis, UML offers a rich family of diagrams for modeling diverse aspects of a system. So the first one is the activity diagram. This model workflows and business process, including the parallel activities and design points. The second one is the state machine diagrams. This is also illustrate the states on object that can occupy and the events that trigger transition between them. The third one is the deployment diagrams. Show the physical hardware topology and how the software components are deployed across nodes. UML in practice. From the sketch of the code, UML serves multiple purposes across the development life cycle. Sketch and the next one is blueprint and next one is programming language. The impact, clarity and collaboration. So first one is enhanced clarity. A standardized visual language eliminates ambiguity in software design. And the second one is better communication, bridges the gap between technical developers and non-technical stockholders. And the third one is early issue detection. This was used to visualizing complex systems, helps identify the system the design flows before the implementation of begins. The future of the software design, UML version 2.5 remains the de facto standard for software modeling worldwide. It is adaptively ensures relevance across agile DevOps and emerging methodologies.